Good morning, Zain. How are you today?
Good morning, Ali. I'm happy. I got ready for school all by myself today.
Wow, really? That's awesome. What did you do?
First, I brushed my teeth. Then I washed my face and wore my uniform.
Nice. Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate an egg and some toast. What about you?
I had a banana and some milk. Yummy.
We need energy to learn and play.
Yes. And don't forget to bring your bag and water bottle.
I did. I'm ready to learn and have fun.
Me too. Let's go to class.
Bye, friends. Stay happy and go to school every day.